Welcome to my YouTube channel. Financial Learning. 3 Habits of Highly Successful Wealth Builders. You will never be poor again. You will never be poor again when you start adopting the habits of successful wealth builders. Whether you are starting from scratch or already have a bit of money saved, developing the right habits can help you achieve financial freedom and security. In this video, we'll share 3 most important wealth-building habits that have been proven to help people increase their net worth and build long-term financial success. Number 1, consistency is key. When it comes to building wealth, one of the most important habits you can adopt is consistency. You will never be poor again if you make consistent efforts towards achieving your financial goals. This means developing a plan and sticking to it, even when it feels difficult or overwhelming. Start doing this today by setting clear financial goals for yourself. Decide how much you want to save, invest, and earn, and create a timeline for achieving those goals. Then, commit to consistently taking steps towards reaching those goals. Number 2, create multiple streams of income. One of the most important habits of highly successful wealth builders is creating multiple streams of income. This means that they don't rely on just one source of income, such as a 9-to-5 job, to sustain their financial well-being. Instead, they diversify their income source, which allows them to build wealth and create financial security. Number 3, always be learning. One of the most common traits of highly successful wealth builders is their constant desire to learn and grow. Whether it's reading books, attending seminars or workshops, or networking with other successful people, they are always seeking knowledge that can help them improve their financial situation. Or networking with other successful people, they are always seeking knowledge that can help them improve their financial situation. Thanks for watching. For more updates, please like, comment, and subscribe.